Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Zaimatul Hasanah. Call me Zaim or Zaim. I was born in Tuban. I live in Tuban, East Java. Now I'm stay in Ma'had Sunan Ampel Al Ali, Mabna Ummu Salamah. I have one sister, and she is still grade 6. Now I am studying in Maulana Malik Ibrahim State Islamic University Malang. Now I am in the chemistry department. I graduated from Man 1 Now I am 19 years old. My hobby is traveling, but after in this Malang cannot go anywhere because of quarantine in Malang. The issue of COVID in Malang is soaring necessitating quarantine and keep the spirit of learning in this pandemic era. Because the pandemic is not a barrier to keep learning, is that it? Seeking knowledge is intended from the heart to seek knowledge. The water is 80% in the sea and wider in the ocean than on land, only 20%. And living creatures on land and sea are for those who seek knowledge. If someone dies while studying, it can be said that someone is in a state of shahid. When discussing environmental problems, we must feel that we are the people chosen by Allah to give people's trust not to diminish the environmental we study. This so we can give a better whole. Next, we will discuss about environmental issues or environmental problem. A pandemic is evidence of environmental damage. We can also feel the impacts of climate change on the environmental. Humans are highly consumptive. For example, there is a decrease in car price in our country. There is no restriction on the number of vehicle ownership. Although people are buying cars, there are also restrictions. This can cause very high vehicle fumes, and its concentration can change the climate. This also causes global warming. Next, motorized vehicles also have a major impact on air pollution. When the Earth is global warming as the temperature increases, the ice at the poles will melt, and this causes the water on the sea surface to increase. It can also increase the reaction rate both is which can accelerate aging. We can slow down aging by eating natural and healthy foods like kale leaves. Next, in Japan, utilizes nuclear power. It is used for benefits. It will be very high because it saves energy to turn on electricity compared to using fuel. But if a leak occurs, it can create a very big problem. Garbage is a seriously problem in Indonesia. Why? Because the community's movement on how to manage waste is still very lacking. Lastly, let's take care of the environment by eating healthy food so that there are no health problems. Next, we will discuss air pollution. What is air pollution? Next, we have implement sorting garbage. This means sorting organic or inorganic waste. Don't leave leftovers in the package. We should not burn garbage because it can cause air pollution. It's a very big problem. In the atmosphere, smoky air pollution is high. Seen from the plane above, the sky can see and feel the pollution on Earth. Next, the greenhouse receives more than enough sunlight, and at night, objects in the greenhouse which are exposed to sunlight will store energy. This is what causes the temperature in the greenhouse to be very high. Reforestation is necessary. This is done because it is important because to reduce global warming. The ozone layer, the whole is human-made. Human-made. An example is CFC. What is CFC? CFC are catalysts for ozone destruction. The acid rains. The acid rains marked by after its rain the plains around it have yellow. Spot acid rain has a negative impact, can lead the death of animals and plants, and reduce human health. Acid rain, when is absorbed by the soil and becomes something dangerous. If the levels are high, this is what causes plants to die when to acid rain. Here we can conclude that we must preserve the environment, not burning garbage, embracing walking. Walking also minimizes the occurrence of air pollution. Doing reforestation, maintaining health by eating healthy foods, separating organic and unorganic waste. And there are many more things we can do to keep our earth healthy. So, if there are mistakes, I apologize. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.